Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change transmission fluid Acura TLX 2015. Start by parking on a flat surface, applying the parking brake, and lifting the front with jack stands for safety. Remove the splash shield to access the drain plug and transmission pan. Have a drain pan, socket set, new gasket, and recommended ATF ready. Keep rags handy to wipe spills and label bolts for reassembly to stay organized and efficient. Begin by warming the engine briefly to circulate and warm the fluid for easier flow. Place the drain pan under the transmission and loosen pan bolt slightly, then remove the drain plug or loosen opposite side to let fluid drain smoothly. Allow all fluid to empty, checking for metal shavings or burnt smell. Clean the pan, magnet, and mating surfaces thoroughly before moving to the next step to ensure a clean reseal. Quick recommendation: if you are changing fluids and spending time in your car, Little Tree's black ice makes your cabin smell fresh after a messy job. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like. It really helps me make more useful content. I've linked the product and other deals in the description so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. After cleaning, install a new gasket and tighten the pan bolts evenly to spec to prevent leaks. Refill the transmission through the dipstick tube using the manufacturer-recommended ATF and the correct quantity, checking level frequently. Start the car, shift through gears while stationary to circulate the fluid, then recheck the level with the engine idling and adjust as needed. Inspect for leaks and lower the vehicle when confident the job is complete and safe.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.